It's YouTube Wednesday! This is my thing that I made. I'm making angel wings, and I have a full-size image that I scaled to a grid system to make it 5'4", which is American female average height. From this being scaled, I know the scale of the wing. And then I uploaded my wing sketch, and I made it the right height to match the scaled wings. And now I'm gonna tape this grid onto my table so that I can build the foam wing just like that. Not 12, this is only 8 inches because that's all I need. Now I'm just looking for 90-degree angles. All the knives are in my Amazon shop, which I will post a link to. This is my big foam knife. This is a ceramic knife. These aren't, these are Harbor Freight blades, but the sharpener is, and that's what keeps these guys alive a long time. This is a Kershaw sharpener. This is a hole pattern for a back plate that the wings will attach to. This will not be the back plate. This is just what I'm making them from. This holds the math. And then I can give this to Stacy, who can put this same hole pattern on the dress. Great. Finally, the math is done. I can get to work. Right and left. Now that's just this top piece. Now I'm going to start cutting feathers. So another layer of feathers to add that end right about here, but that's fine for me. I never get too far ahead. I want to get the other wing caught up to that one. Not bad. It's getting heavier, but it's really, that's not bad as far as weight When they have dust on them like this, sometimes it's hard to bond. You might need to wipe them down. that one more layer of dimension to it, I think looks good. These wings are done, and they're going to be used on a Weeping Angel costume.
So we're going to attempt to take the centerpiece out of this and make it a splatter. Splatter cat. We got most of it out, so let's see how that does. That looks pretty splattery.
That's it.
Sufficiently splattery.
Yeah.
Not a bad place to test because it's on the front. It's going to be covered by the dress.
Hello.
go in with some flat black spray paint and put in some shadows. not unhappy with that. So now we're gonna take the mask back into the paint room and do a little airbrushing to bring just the darks back down.
Really good.
Go make stuff.
Thank you to all our viewers for watching. If you would like some more behind the scenes content, make sure to join us on Patreon. If you would like to attend our camps or labs at the Stiltby Center for Theatrical Arts, enrollment can be found at stiltbystudios.com. Our educational programs also make excellent gifts for your loved ones. As always, go make stuff.